one from this to this one. It's raining. Wash my face already. It's me my lounge wear. Who's going out again? It's me. Ang cute naman. Ang gusto mo yung on cute talaga siya.
At the
Oh,
next
diba?
line, turn left. Merry Christmas.
Ay, nakaloy ko siya. Anyway, it's around
Kuya, anong ginagawa mo? Anong ano yung
5:30
ginagawa?
p.m. right now, and we're on our way to this store na Party Needs. For my last minute Halloween, ay Party
Party City.
Party City. For my last minute Halloween costume, which like I had to decide for ilang minutes ba. Actually, nag-regret nga ako kasi nga dapat binili ko siya din ng 3 days ahead pa. Ako din to eh, sa akin din to eh. Binili ko dapat siya nung mga nakaraan pa para sana nasuot ko siya sa work. Kaso like, since, I don't know if I have told you about this, since na ginagawa ko yung overnights, may overnights ako, so inisip ko, worth it ba na mag-costume? Kung naka-overnight din naman ako, tapos like people will see me for like 3 hours lang, edi yun yung inisip ko kaya hindi ko siya binili. That's why we're doing it right now kasi I'm planning to attend 2 Halloween parties na consecutive nights na para bang pusa ka na madami kang buhay na titignan natin kung kakayanin ba ng una sa lahat ng pera ko at saka ng bituka ko, ng atay ko. Pero minsan lang naman ako, like I'm 2 months sober or 3 kasi my last night out was July, so yeah. Kapatabo kasi natin is kami pala na may eat nga din eh. Like how can we get it? Ito ata ba ginagamit ba to? Should we get it ourselves or like we ask? Hindi, actually, yun talaga yung ano niya. Napanood mo ba yung Money Heist?
Oo naman.
Oh,
Pero hindi
di-
ko tinapos.
Ah.
Dito yung isang
So we got the goods. Yeah. Tumutunog-tunog yung leaves. So, just like that, we're home. And, wait, let me just check what time is it right now. It's around 7:22 p.m. to be exact. And, just had my dinner, by the way. And, I haven't mentioned to you guys na, or like, maybe I mentioned it already, that I'm planning to attend 2 Halloween parties, which is tonight and then tomorrow, which is another like a Halloween coded type of party. So the reason why I'm attending 2 parties is that today is the 31st. So like isip ko, if I'm not gonna go out tonight, parang feeling ko mawawala yung sense ng Halloween. But also like may event nga tomorrow. And I'm also off tomorrow, so like, I mean, since off naman ako, why not go there? Anyway, alam mo, at this point, hindi na talaga gumagana yung utak kasi I had my overnight na. So, yeah, I slept for 3 hours. Basta less than 5 or just to be sure, less than 8 hours. Hindi ako talaga nagkaroon ng proper sleep. So, which led me to my costume tonight, which is really like a basic, very me-coded zombie. So yun, kaya ako kumanap ng code kasi I'm wearing a Plants vs Zombie na zombie costume. Tapos yung may cone dito. And this is something that I can wear naman sana kung isa lang yung a-attendan ko. Well, anyway, this yung costume ko is
basically everything that I have already in my closet. So the only thing na inad ko, which is just $1.25, is yung cone. But right now, I'm gonna try to look for an inspo for my makeup. Prepared ba ako? Hindi. But we're gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna look for inspo in Pinterest. Yeah, wait. May nakita na ako. Ito. Something like this. Actually, ito sana yung pinaka-bet ko na inspo. Kaso, the thing is, if I'm gonna go for this look, I have to copy the blood sa face din and then sa damit. Which I'm not so sure if that's safe for my clothes kasi nga, as what I have mentioned, ito yung mga clothes ko talaga. So, I don't wanna ruin the quality of my clothes kasi mamaya mag-stain siya, mag-stay yung blood doon. So, like, feeling ko, instead of doing this one, siguro ikakopy ko tong eyes. Hindi yung mata mismo, hindi yung pupilla, but more of yung eye bags. And then, something like this. Kasi feeling ko naman ma-work on ko siya. Etong gantong look, yung parang, siguro mga 25% zombie pa lang siya. But, just in case you're wondering, before I cut this clip, kasi nga, feeling ko naman, mag-enjoy na lang din ako, and I'm currently listening to a podcast. So, that's what I'm gonna do. This is what I'll be working with. Ito din yung same palette ko na ginamit before nung graduation. I'm not so sure if this is still safe to use or this is expired already, but yeah, since ito lang yung mga gamit ko, let's work with whatever we have right now. So, let's transform into this, or maybe gagawa pala akong transition. Yeah. Alam mo, minsan ang hirap mag-vlog tapos magpa-partake ka tapos mag-landscape. Anyway, let's transform from this to guess what? It's raining.
Let's take it back to
It's hard.
June 17th. Can't seem to forget you, forgetting about me. We were young and so detached from the new, but I was sure I found my peace in a place to call you.
Let's go. I'm going out. After this clip, I'm gonna book my ride. So, alright, going home. So, this is pretty chaotic vlog, and I hope you can still hear me. But I'm on my way to Subway. I'm not so sure if like I should get another, like I need to grab food, or I should go home already. But like this is what I'm gonna wait for my ride. So yeah, since it's raining already.
So, I washed my face already. This is me in my loungewear. So, I'm just waiting for the sweet potato fries to be cooked so I can chill here and drink a lot of water before going to sleep. Or probably I'm just gonna watch an episode of the show that I'm watching. Here's everybody. Let's go. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Here's who's going out again. It's me. Yes, and oh yeah, this little sneak. You know what? The costume that I'll be wearing right now is really basic. I don't know if you can tell about my outfit already. Look at the sneak peek. But I am wearing this. This is the one that I bought kahapon nga. And I'm gonna wear it tonight. But I don't know if you can tell, but we're not basic like that. Kasi what happened last night actually is meron na nakaganto and then nakasuot sila ng full body ganito. Iba sila kasando. Pero since we're gonna spice this up just a little bit, you know, spice it up just a little bit to make it hit, you know. Well, hindi siya dito magtatapos sa sando na to. So what we're gonna do is, yan. Dito yung nag-get-ready. Kahapon pala nag-live ako, nag-get-ready ako. What I'll be doing is, purposeful naman to kasi itong jumpsuit na to is wala siyang bulsa. And I need my wallet for my identification ID. I cannot just bring my ID. Though I can do it nung nasa back ng phone ko. Pero kasi syempre it's way easier kung lalabas mo lang ang card mo. And need ko ng cash. So I'm gonna wear this funny pack. Di ba? Funny pack. How do you say that? Hindi na nagagana nito. Yeah. For my accessories and sabi ko nga sa inyo, we're gonna spice things up a bit. Feeling ko kasi, minsan yung outfit kahit na simple siya. Like, you know, yung mga typical na sinasabi sa mga TikTok creator, accessories talaga yung magdala. So, what we're gonna do is, since it's Halloween, hindi tayo mag-wear ng makeup, of course. So, wala ba naka-makeup doon sa my eyes. But, what I'm gonna be doing is, I'm gonna do a fake blood pa rin na wait. I'm gonna do a fake blood pa rin sa arm ko just to have that vibe na na-shot ako sa arms. And I'm gonna use this belt as my tourniquet para i-stop yung blood. So, i-touch na natin yung arm ko. Mas maganda to kung full yung arm ko na may blood kasi wala namang dito sa mukha ko. Right? Details. Look. Ito, ganda naman yung girl ng arm to. And I'll see you guys at the bank. Good idea na I listen to my mom na magsuot na something na will cover her. Hey, kasi malamig. So right now I'm just waiting for my Christmas because the car. So let's be the car. So yeah, buti na kanila.
Check, do it.